The fact that you are here, you know that you are welcome and welcome to my channel. This is specifically created for you because you are watching this video right now. Look, when we decide to take the path that is less traveled, loneliness is part of the package. Sometimes the only option we have for things to get done is the hard way. And the hard way is hard, my friend. What's nice about making an appointment with destiny is that time is not the limit. For there is no telling how many miles we have to run while chasing our dreams. But before we embark in this journey of success, in this journey of hustling, we must redefine the meaning of failing. There are two systems or interpretation of failing. And the system that I would like to explain now is the school system. At school, when we were in school or when we started in primary school, at school you were taught that failing, it means that you cannot progress to the next level. But there is this another definition, especially for those who are traveling in this road that is less traveled. You know that failing is your best teacher, because every time you fail, it increases the probability for you to make it. Remember, you can be wrong so many times, but you only have to be right once. Once you right once, therefore, it's forever, as long as you are consistent in working hard. Remember when we were young, when we were trying to walk and we fail and we fall, and at that time we didn't even understand what people are saying. But because we wanted walking so much, we never gave up in failing. We learned new ways. We learned that you need to hold certain things. You need to hold certain things in order for you to be successful in learning how to walk. Just imagine if you were defined that the first step that you failed to take, you were told that you are lesser than the kids that are already walking. Some of us, it took us a while to speak, to read, to do so many things, but we tried and we made it. On the road less traveled, you must learn from nature. You must learn that a seed produces a tree. You must learn that one grain of sand can build skyscrapers. Can you imagine if somebody comes to you and tells you that, hey, look, I want to build a house using this Lego sand or stone? You probably laugh. So this should make you not to be surprised whenever people are laughing at your ideas, no matter how big or small they are. Just learn from nature on how things are done, or how things progress, or how things are made. So in this journey of on the road less traveled, there'll be stressful times, there'll be self-doubt, the me and myself moments. So whenever those moments come to you, the only way that you have is to keep going, because remember, you have a date with destiny. It's really hard to hold on your portfolio when it goes down and up. It's really hard when you're trying to start a business and you don't have cash. You still have so many ideas that you can actually write a book on ideas on starting your own business. but you don't have capital to do it. When you don't have capital, you have fear to lose the capital to start. Just want to encourage you out there, for those who travel in this less traveled road, that you're not all alone, even though it feels that you're alone, because the person that you have, it's you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. This was just one of the pieces to encourage you to keep on going, keep on working hard on those ideas that you're working on. Thank you so much.